Hi, welcome to another video of Discounts series. In this video we will get iToolab AnyGo coupon code 2023. So, before we start you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, so you never miss any update from CB9 in future. First of all, go to craftail.pk website and click on Deals and Coupons. Link is in description. Here find iToolab store under Popular Stores or click to load all stores. On Stores page click on iToolab Store. Here you will find all iToolab products coupon. Find the iToolab AnyGo coupon under Popular Coupons tab. Now click on Click to Reveal button. Copy the coupon and click on the link from pop-up. On iToolab AnyGo website choose your plan and proceed to checkout. Here under Coupon box paste the coupon which you copied. Click Apply button. Congratulations, you have successfully got iToolab AnyGo coupon code 2023. Fill the information and complete your purchase. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe CB9 channel.